Welcome to my allotment. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make comfrey feed. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please could you do so, because then you'll get lots of updates of all the things on my allotment, my home garden and also my home kitchen. So I have a huge water butt that I use, but if you haven't got anything as big, just a large tub with a lid on it. So if I take the lid of my tub off, the most important thing you need, obviously, is comfrey. Now, we have tons of it up at the allotment. It's very distinctive with these little purple flowers here. So all you do is break the comfrey off. I've got gloves on. If you haven't got gloves on, actually I would put gloves on because it's a little bit rough to the hands. So break it up and put it into your container. See, I've got a nice big water butt. Then you fill it with water and you leave it for about 4 weeks. I warn you, it's really, really stinky, but it does a really good job. This liquid feed is particularly good for anything that flowers. And when I mean flowers, things that need to flower to produce a fruit. So things like raspberries, tomatoes, aubergines, cucumbers, courgettes, pumpkins, that sort of thing. The things you wouldn't put it on are the things that you don't want flowering. So you'd never put it on your onions, on your cabbages, that sort of thing. So if that gives you kind of like a rule of thumb, I water it down to 1 part comfrey feed to 10 parts water, roughly thereabouts. It's something that we've been making for many years. It's obviously natural and organic, and I would highly recommend it if that's the route you want to go down. Also, it saves you money as well, which is another fantastic reason for using it. I hope that's been useful, and if you've got any questions or comments, please do let me know and we'll do our best to answer them.